I went through the steps necessary or needed to do those approximations. I think I'm going to stop doing that for a while because we did 3 examples at the board already. What I want to do is talk about actually doing a problem like this, and I'm just going to type in reset. It's a good habit to do that, by the way. X is a variable. Although X is a variable in Sage, it's a good idea to start to define your variables before you use them. F is a function of X. And what's that function? It's X cubed minus 3X squared minus 9X plus 4. And what I want to do is plot P-L-O-T f of X. And let's see what happens. It opens up. I kind of see it. And someone says, well, I don't see what they want to see. They want to see the root between -2 and -3. So I got to change this over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say x min equals, I don't know, -3. And x max equals -2. I'm seeing that now. And, certainly, kind of looking at it, if you looked at it, -2.1, maybe 3, you get the idea, all right? Now, certainly, you could zoom in more. Let me just show you what I mean by that. And instead of I could do between -2.2 and 2. Let me try that now. Whoops, I think I made a mistake there. Oh, I didn't do X max, sorry. I was wondering what was wrong with it. Okay. And I certainly you could keep zooming into this region. All right, let me do that now. And I'm going to just go back over it. And what's that going to be? Like maybe -2.15. And then -2.10. I think you see what I'm doing over here. And this is a visual approach to the problem. And, certainly you can do it again. Let me do it again for you. And I'm going to go between 1, 3. I'm looking at a picture to do that by the way in 1, 2. Right? And, certainly looking at it, I'm going to say it looks like f, let me write this down for you. It looks like f of -2.124 should give me 0. It's not, though, all right? Let me show you that. Now, is it close to 0? Of course it is, all right? Now, again, I don't know, this would be a good initial guess, by the way, very close to 0. But if you ask Sage to do it, it's going to give a remarkably good approximation to it. So let me write this down for you. F of X equals 0. And I want to give it a range. And I'm going to say, between, -2.13 and -2.12. And what do I get there? Better approximation. It's it's -2.123983, blah, 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 blah. It gives a good approximation. What I want to do is I want to close out the pictures, and this is just me zooming into a region using Sage to do that. Again, we've already gone through the algorithm. You know what it is. If you don't, go back and watch those prior videos. And again, the algorithm leads to an incredibly good approximation. All right. Now, certainly we're expecting that, to be honest with you. Sage, a little bit better. It's 2 additional places, but it's remarkably good. It's remarkably good. Again, if you're confused by what I'm doing in this particular problem, go back and look at the first 3. I am not doing what I did in the first 3 for this problem over here, though. Reason being, it's rather repetitive. I mean, if I did the first 3, I can certainly do these. And to be honest with you, I did do them using a computer. I did do it. All right. Thank you.